Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the 6-tier tree bookshelf with light, a unique and stylish addition to any living space. This tall, floor-standing book organizer is perfect for your living room, bedroom, or home office, offering expansive storage capacity to hold 30 to 50 paperback books, along with a convenient storage drawer at the base for thicker books or miscellaneous items. The built-in adjustable lamp provides adaptive lighting with 3 color temperature settings, ensuring the perfect ambiance for reading at any time of day or night. Its artistic tree design not only adds a rustic charm to your room but also saves space with its efficient layout, making it easy to keep your reading area organized and your books accessible. Lightweight and easy to move, this bookshelf is perfect for creating cozy reading nooks, and its sturdy geometric design, complete with anti-tip hardware for wall mounting, promises stability and longevity. With parts numbered for convenience, assembly is a breeze, allowing you to quickly set up your new reading haven. Whether you're looking to enhance your decor or find the perfect gift for a reading enthusiast, this versatile small industrial bookcase fits seamlessly into any room, from living areas to children's play spaces, storing books, toys, CDs, and DVDs with ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.